friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to be giving you guys a cleaning video, some cleaning motivation, and I'm starting in my laundry room because I have some laundry that I needed to finish up. I started laundry throughout the week and I didn't get to finish because, I'm doing the soccer mom thing, dropping kids to sports, picking them back up from their games, picking them up from school, doing all the things. So I did not get to finish, but I am finishing up what I've started, and I just need to get these in the washer. Also, our dryer broke and we had to get it fixed as well. So it also put a pause on, being able to dry my clothes. So now the dryer is fixed and we are back and running, and so I'm just trying to attack all this laundry. So I'm going to kind of just take you throughout my foyer, because I've taken Christmas down in my foyer and I'm just getting ready to decorate for the winter season. So I'm going to be attacking my foyer as well. Need to do some cleaning in there, and my bedroom as well, and laundry. So I hope that you guys are motivated, and yeah, let's go ahead and get cleaning. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my bed. I try to make my bed in the mornings as soon as I get out of bed. Sometimes I don't, because I have to get the kids together, get my daughter ready, and get them out for 7:15 for school. And by the time I get back, I'm doing other things. And so my bed doesn't always take precedence, but I am definitely trying to make my bed every single morning that I get out of it. And I love making my bed because it makes the room feel clean and fresh, and it also it does something to the brain that makes you feel like you've accomplished something for the day. So this is my word to you: if you want to feel a little bit accomplished as a homemaker, make your bed. So once again, here I am just folding laundry, because I had 2 loads of laundry in my bedroom, and then I have loads of laundry in the laundry room. So I'm just folding and getting rid of all these clothes. Let me know down below, what is your favorite tasks to do and your least favorite tasks to do at home? For me, my least favorite tasks are the bathrooms. I don't like to clean the bathrooms, though I don't mind it, but I don't like to do it. So my daughter, her chores are the bathrooms. And then my son, his chore is the kitchen on top of their bedrooms as well. But I will clean the rest of the house, no problem. I will mop the floors, sweep and vacuum and dust and do the living room and all those things. But my least favorite chores is the bathroom, and my favorite chore to do, which is probably going to shock some of you, is laundry. I absolutely love doing laundry. I love the process of sorting and, washing them, drying and folding, but I hate to put them away. So I definitely hate putting laundry away, but I love to do laundry. I don't know. I just love the process of it. I love to clean, period. It's like very therapeutic for me, hence why my channel is called Cleaning is My Therapy, because it really is. And it really does help me. It helped me to get through the tasks that I have to do that are so mundane. And while I'm doing that, I can listen to, some music. I can listen to the Bible experience. I can listen to, something on, on a talk show or whatever the case may be. I can listen to a book, or I can just watch a vlog while I'm doing it. And it's just so therapeutic for me. I go through my house and I see what needs to be done, and just getting it done is very, very serene to me. So you guys let me know, what is your least and most favorite task to do? And do you feel that cleaning is therapeutic for you as well? So I normally clean my steps with my hands. I don't use mops or anything. I used to, but then they get all that streaky mess on them. So I started to clean my steps with my hands. Now, oh my goodness, when I was cleaning these stair treads, oh my goodness, how dirty they were, which is so crazy to me because we don't wear shoes in the house. So to see all this dirt that came off, and you will see it at the end, it's just really mind-boggling to me. Like, I'm perplexed because I don't understand where the dirt comes from. Like, it just shows up and I don't understand where it's coming from. So I have to really do a better job at keeping my staircase cleaner than I normally do, because it's obviously not working. We're not wearing shoes in the house, but yet and still all this dirt is coming off on this, cloth. So I just decided I wanted to just go ahead and clean it. And, once in a while, I will get down on my floors, on my knees, and wipe my floors as well. Does anybody else do that? Because I feel like the mop is good, but it doesn't get up all the gunk all the time. So I tend to go on my hands and knees and mop my floors, which you will see that in the next video, not this video, but I will be doing that. Because you see this is crazy. Like, where did all that dirt come from? We're wearing socks and we're bare feet in the house. And it's like all this dirt. I am thinking that is from all the Christmas decor and the dust and everything, but I just don't understand it, you guys. I don't. Anyway, I'm so glad that that's done, because it was really just disastrous, disgusting, and it just was making me sick. So I'm so glad that I was able to get that done and get my staircase clean. So my daughter, she loves to be on the floor. So that's one of the reasons, among all the other reasons, why we don't wear shoes in the house. It's just absolutely disgusting. But she likes to be on the floor. She rolls on the floor. My daughter Nyla, she's 19 and she has Downs, but the floor is like her favorite place to be besides her bedroom. So she likes to roll around on the floor. So I always like to make sure that my floors are clean and spotless, because I mean, she's rolling on there, you guys, face planted and all. So I like to make sure that it's nice and clean and fresh and disinfected for her especially.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light.
So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. And you know, if you were cleaning alongside with me, I hope that you were motivated and that you were able to get so much done today. Also, don't forget that though I am cleaning the space, I will be decorating it in my decorating video on my decorating channel at Home with Shoshana. I will link it down below for you. And you know, hopefully you are subscribed. If not, please subscribe. I would love for you guys to join and become a part of my family there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.
If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness.